We're going to blur the background in CapCut PC. So if you're looking to blur the background for a video, this is how you can do that. So the first thing we're going to do is actually select the video we want to blur the background. So let's pick this one here, communication one here. And as you can see, what we're going to do is actually highlight the lady right here in the middle, while we put all these guys in the background. After all, she's the one smiling, right? So we're going to put all these guys in the background and highlight this lady here. So the first thing you want to do is, because we need another background here to be able to highlight this lady, you can duplicate this clip right here is what we're going to duplicate. And once you do that, what we're going to do is, let's go down here, drag it right here. So now in this instance, we have the foreground and the background. This is going to be the foreground and this is going to be the background right here. Now you really can't tell, because once I play it, you just can't tell. It's both clips running, but that's what we're going to do. So simply, you want to go to effects. Under effects, you want to add the blur that you want to add. See, they have all types of blurs here. So whether it's a pro blur you want, but we're just going to do a regular blur here, right? So let's just add our blur. And as you can see here, right, it's blurred. But because this is the foreground and this is the background, we are going to simply move this here because we want to blur the background. And we just drag that to make sure that it covers the full blur right there. So we know it's covered. Now you can't see the blur. If I move this away, yes, you can. As you can see, that's the whole point. And if I move it back, again, this is the foreground and the background, and we have our blur. Now, the special thing we want to do now is highlight this lady and then make all the others just disappear into the background, and this is how you could do that. Now that we have that, we want to select the foreground clip. As you can see, it's highlighted here. And when you select the foreground clip, what you want to then do is go to basic at the top right here. Wherever you see basic, you want to look for that and then look for mask right here. And in this instance, it says none currently, right? And what we're going to then do is choose a mask. And in this instance, because we want a circle, I think I'm going to choose the circle. There we go. As you can see, haha. And now I can make my adjustments on the circle and put everybody else in the background. Now, if I were to start the video, you could see now that the background has been blurred and all you can then now see is the lady smiling. But that's simply how you can quickly blur your background in CapCut. If this video was helpful, like the video, subscribe to our channel so you can continue to see helpful digital marketing and video tips.